Welcome, guys. Welcome to our crypto live stream. I try to do these once every other month on YouTube. I did one last month, so I really want to welcome you guys. We're going to look at Bitcoin. We're going to look at altcoins, the coins that you guys have requested. Any questions that you may have on our strategy. I do these live streams 3 to 4 times a week in our educational group. I try to do slightly different one on YouTube to take questions, take coin requests, and just have a chat. I make YouTube videos every other day on YouTube, so it's good to interact with you also. Let me know what you guys think. Any questions, let me know. Usually I go through Bitcoin, share with you my strategies for high time frame Bitcoin, then take any questions, look at some altcoins that I'm in, a couple of altcoins that are pumping. One of the altcoins that we are in is Zilliqa. That's good, looking quite nice. Theta is not as good, but we'll review all the coins that I'm in as well, and like I said, take any questions. So give me a couple of minutes to post in the Facebook group, Twitter and Telegram groups that I'm live. In the meantime, if you guys have any questions, comment now, and I'm happy to answer. Just before I get started, can you guys give a thumbs up that you can hear me well? The sound is okay, you can see the screen before I start talking for an hour on YouTube. Just a thumbs up to say that you can hear me well. You can see my screen. I'll be live for about an hour or so, and then, like I said, answer any questions, fundamentals. We can talk about XRP as well. So XRP's got that Spark token drop. Yeah, that's awesome. Few people already here. Ludicrous, new people as well. I don't think I've seen you guys before, so really good to see. Right, let me. My voice is not so clear. Is it okay for everyone else? Let me know if it's not clear, and I can try and change something or try and fix it. But on my side, everything looks okay. Just trying to check something. Let me just post the link to the group. Yeah, there's about 110 people. I'd say about 20 people that are actively trading. A lot of investors in the group. About 20-30 people actively trading with us every day. I'll take you through some of the posts or some of the trades I've taken. I'll take you through them, the posts that I make, so you guys can sort of get a flavor of it if you're interested in the future. So is the sound okay? Okay, it was issue from your side. No problem, my friend. Okay, so give me 2 seconds now. I'm just posting it in the groups. Bitcoin has been crazy, hasn't it? Since Bitcoin gone crazy, altcoins are pumping now, so that's quite a good time to trade altcoins. I'll share with you a couple of trades that I'm in now and a couple of trades I'm looking. Any altcoins you guys are buying? What's your favorite altcoin that you guys are looking to buy at the moment? Every year we see a dump on Christmas. I don't necessarily think that. I can review the charts. I can definitely review the charts for you guys. I don't see XRP, XLM. To be honest, I'll probably look at XRP first. First coin I look at will be XRP tonight, because I'm sure lots of people would be asking about XRP. So I'll have a look at XRP for you guys straight away. Joshua, hello, my friend. Hope you're well. Are you trading any coins today, Joshua? Yeah, Bitcoin is king. Never forget that. All the the OG people that have been here a while, they always know Bitcoin is king. Andy, hi Andy. Hopefully you're well, my friend. Not seen you in a while, so good to see you in the live stream. Just got Facebook to do now. I've done Telegram, I've done Twitter, just Facebook to do, then I'll get started. Just getting ready for, I'm probably getting ready for Santa as well. I've not really traded Forex today. I usually trade Forex as well. It's been mainly trading crypto, a couple of altcoin trades. Zilliqa's going good, that's fine. Unify has been, Santa's come early for me. It's good for me to catch a really big move in Unify. Did you buy? He's taking all my money. Yeah, I've got my girlfriend this Christmas. So last Christmas it was a cheaper Christmas. This Christmas is more expensive. I might give her some crypto. That's one of the things I want to give her this year. Right, there we go. All done now. So let's get started, guys. And I'll just do my Bitcoin and my analysis, and then I'll answer any questions. I'm happy to stay live for an hour, so I should be able to get through all your questions. So stay tuned and let's enjoy. Oh, you've got kids. Kids are probably even crazier. Right, let's get started now. So Bitcoin had a big breakout above 10.5k. We were riding Bitcoin. 19k came, then it's dumping. Is it dumping now? Is it time to sell? I'm not sure. My only trade in Bitcoin will be above 20k. So if Bitcoin gets back above 20k, I can see a quick move. There will be people trying to short Bitcoin here. There could be a short squeeze, and there's lots of people would be interested, curious. I do think there will be a sharp move up if we get back above 20k. At the moment, I've not got a setup in Bitcoin. I will be sharing with you a trade setup because I do go short to hedge my wealth, if you want to call it, because if I hodl Bitcoin, this is a quite a deep topic, is I hodl Bitcoin. So usually all the time I'm long Bitcoin because there are some Bitcoin that I never sell. I'm a massive trader. I'm trading every day, but I hodl Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin are at these levels, I try to sell some. So I sold some Bitcoin at 10k, sold some at 18, 19k. I sold around those levels, and I took a short in Ethereum, which I'll share with you the short that I taken. On Bitcoin, I'm not too clear at the moment. This is still holding the daily moving average. For me, I would probably look for short setups. If I get a short setup, so make sure you have a trading strategy, whether you follow mine or whether you have your own strategy, you need to make sure you have a strategy. So I'll talk about XTZ. Tezos is a coin that I like. Me and Joshua, we both like it in the group. So Bitcoin, if it breaks below 17k, then I might look for a short. But when the trend is up, if I do take a short, it will be a quick short. So I'll share with you. So since Bitcoin broke 10k, I shared two short Bitcoin trade setups. I didn't take it myself. I only took the Ethereum short, which I'll come to. This is the short setup I shared. It dumped slightly, then went up. And then the other short setup I shared in Bitcoin was around here. Bitcoin pullback short. I said, sell if it comes into the 17.5k level, sell it all, and that would have been my Bitcoin short setup and done. And this was the long setup. And this one, I think, if you go back and watch the previous YouTube live stream, this is the setup I shared. If Bitcoin goes back above there and it goes up, this will be my pullback long, and that was the trade. I didn't personally take that myself, but that was the trade I shared. The trades that I'm in now in Bitcoin, I am still long 10%, so I sell as we're going up. This was the long I took in Bitcoin, just above 12k, and I'm still got 10% of that. And then I took another trade here on a breakout above there. I'm still holding 25% of that. That's the two trades I'm in. If you got a really good entry, you might want to hold Bitcoin to see what it does. At the moment, it's not broken trend. There might be an even bigger pullback. but it's not broken trend. So if you want to look to trade Bitcoin, 16k or possibly 17k are two zones where I could look for setups. So I'm not just going to blindly buy. Those are two levels I'll look to get in Bitcoin if I get a setup. And long time frame, I've shared that before. I'm definitely gonna buy Bitcoin if it dumps from 12.5 to 10.5k. I'll definitely look to buy Bitcoin. I said that when Bitcoin was around 15, 16k. Now it's gone up so much. I might even be interested in Bitcoin around 14k, where the weekly moving average is. So if Bitcoin comes down here, I'm gonna look to buy Bitcoin. I've not bought any hodl positions. So people ask me that, shall I? So one of the questions Sebastian's asked, Benny, hopefully you're well. Tony Tong, hopefully you're well. Best coin to hold and never sell is Bitcoin. I own Bitcoin and I never sell. King Bitcoin. I love Bitcoin. That's one of the only coins that I hold. There are a couple of coins that I like BAT is a coin that I really like. I like Chainlink. I like Tezos. If Tezos comes into a key level, I'd look to get in. I've been waiting for this for a while. There are a couple of coins that I like to own, and there's a couple of little coins that we trade as well, but I'm more of a trader. I just mainly hodl Bitcoin. Also, one thing, guys, last time I did a live stream, we went to 50 likes. Let's see if we can smash 100 likes. This is the last live stream that I'm doing on YouTube for until next year. I'll try and do one in maybe February time. So make sure that if there's about 35 people watching, I'd love if you can smash that like button. It really mean a lot to me. So, or at least wait, if you enjoy my content, then you could like it. So what I'm looking for now in short time frame Bitcoin, for me to look long, I would look to get back above 20k. I would look for long. As a short hedge, I've shorted Ethereum, which I'll share after my Bitcoin analysis. I've not got a short setup in Bitcoin yet. Maybe below 17k, look for a short setup towards here, but that's the only trade I'm looking for at the moment. I've not got a clear setup in Bitcoin. High time frame, I would look to buy, like I said, if Bitcoin breaks above 20k, I would look to buy. Or if Bitcoin comes into this 10k, I don't know if it will. Even if it spikes down, I'm just gonna have an order there. This was one of the best trades I took, having an order at 4k, having an order at 5k, although people were calling that I'm a scammer because they bought at 4k and it dumped to around 3k, and they were telling me that, you know, you're Rocko, you're wrong, you shouldn't do YouTube. And it was probably one of my best trades buying Bitcoin there. Although it went down, I was happy to hold. And again, please don't follow me. I'm not a financial advisor. I could be wrong. I didn't trade Bitcoin here. I had hodl position. I missed this breakout, and you know, Bitcoin could come in here and it could dump. But that is a level that I would definitely look to buy in Bitcoin. So that's my long time frame. And then if we break out above this, some of the Fibonacci targets I've got is around 21k. It would be my target. These are some Fibonacci targets I've got if Bitcoin breaks above 20k. So that's my thoughts on Bitcoin. One of the questions I'm being asked quite a lot on this YouTube live stream is, oops, apologies for that, is end of year dumps. So let's do our analysis, see if we've had end of year dumps. I think December and November, December is usually a good month for crypto, in my opinion. So let's look at December. Where's December? So this is December. I wouldn't say it was a dump. So I'm gonna draw a line on December's. Let's look at last 3-4 years, what Bitcoin did. I don't know what you guys are talking about Bitcoin dumps. Obviously, 2017 we had that big dump, we're all aware. I mean, you look at this December, we had two really big candles here. I'll just do one more and then we can analyze. Exactly. That's why I hodl Bitcoin, because there's a 1 hour at my investing and trading strategy, because I share with you my investing strategy as well, because if you're even myself, like I said, trading is about finding probabilities. Trading is not about all your trading positions. I know where the market's going to go. I just know high probability setups. So my strategy that I teach is, if I know that if I take 100 trades, I'll make money overall. I could lose 5 trades in a row. I could, like I said, I missed this breakout. I went short Bitcoin here, if you guys know. I went short Bitcoin here, and then it broke out. I went long. I sold a lot of Bitcoin at 10k, which I bought at 4k. I didn't think 10k was going to break. It broke out. I shorted Bitcoin here. It broke out. I went long. And then I didn't short this. This is where I started going long. And this is, I mean, I don't need to trade this year. Another thing is, I get messages saying, Rocko, if I join your group, how much capital do I need? How much money I can make? No one can say that. If Bitcoin just does this now, if Bitcoin just does this, I'm not going to be able to make that much money. If Bitcoin breaks out above 20k and sets up, that's when I'll make money. Usually, when altcoins break out, or I get a call correct, like my Zilliqa trade, or VeChain was a nice trade. I'll talk about VeChain, and recently XRP above 30 cent, which I traded live on YouTube. Then lots of people join, but then I can't give any calls now. That's already happened. You have to be patient and wait for it. That's that's just the honest truth of what trading is about. You can't, if the market is going sideways, even Warren Buffett can't make money. You need the markets to give you something. It needs to trend down, or it'll break out high. It needs to give you something to make money. So sorry, I don't want to get distracted. That is one of my problems. On YouTube, I get asked questions a lot. But looking at this, guys, this was December 19. This was a really good month. You can see December went sideways and it broke out. End of December here as well, you can see December, it went sideways to slightly up, then it broke out in the new year. Here as well, I mean, this was December 17, but we can see it had a green candle over the Christmas period. And obviously back in 2017 and 2015, we had decent candles as well. So I wouldn't say that Bitcoin dumps around December. And I'll wait for the chart to tell me something. I wouldn't just short it or buy or sell just because it dumps on a day. If I get a setup, that's when I'll look to trade it. Okay, is Bitcoin clear? That's one of the main things, guys. I mean, don't do Bitcoin analysis videos because they don't get many views. But Bitcoin is absolutely king. What altcoins? If Bitcoin is going sideways, that's why some of the altcoin trades are working. If Bitcoin doesn't, if Bitcoin breaks out above 20k, I'd rather be waiting on Bitcoin than trade altcoins. We weren't trading altcoins during this time in the group at all. The last few days has been quite good for altcoins. At the moment, it's not been at the moment, it's been quite good because Bitcoin is going sideways. So, any questions on Bitcoin, guys? Apart from Bitcoin coins like Tronix, everything else have some dips during December. Yeah, I can have a look at. I'll have a look at them as well. I mean, you say that, but if Bitcoin breaks out, then yes, they will have a bit of a pullback, wouldn't they? Because it depends on what you're looking at. So I mean, maybe if I have time, I'll answer that. So Ethereum, let's have a look at Ethereum. So I have shorted Ethereum, and I can share that with you when I shorted it. I'm still half short in Ethereum. So people were asking me if I shorted BTC. I did not short BTC. Like I said, I didn't get a setup in Bitcoin. I did get a setup in Ethereum, and I posted that when I took that trade. Ethereum, not shorted Ethereum, shorted Ethereum here, pull back above this. This is my stop loss, and the short that I took was below here. It's literally near my entry point now. I've taken half off. I'm still in this trade. If Ethereum does this, then I'll exit. Then I'll exit my short. If Ethereum gets back above 620, pump it to 700. Some nice high lows, holding the daily moving average, pump it to 700. I've shared with you like taking short hedges. I've taken this before in Bitcoin. Bitcoin wasn't clear to me. This is the I mean, some people say, do people sell crypto to buy Christmas presents? I don't think that's necessarily true. But again, I don't know what people. Again, if I see setups, I'll look for a trade. At the moment, I'm just gonna wait. Even though I have biases, like I said, I'll share with you my bias on XRP. If I don't get a setup, I'm not gonna take it. It's so important to have a strategy. If you trade with emotions, guys, you'll never make money. Just ask yourself. I mean, I know people that were messaging me about buying Bitcoin when it was going up like this. When I was buying here, no one was talking about it. They're talking about buying Bitcoin now. And then if Bitcoin dumps, no one was buying Bitcoin there. They were like, oh, Bitcoin is a scam, let me sell. That's just how human emotions work. You have to think differently. If you trade with your emotions without a strategy, you're not gonna go very far in this market. So that's my thoughts on Ethereum. A key note on Ethereum BTC is Ethereum BTC 3,000 Satoshi is a huge level. If Ethereum BTC breaks out above 3,200, start buying altcoins. They'll perform really well. We had that DeFi market. As you guys know, all the DeFi coins were going crazy. It was during this Ethereum bull market. When Ethereum is going up, altcoins go up. And this is a great indicator for altcoins. At the moment, it's going sideways, so it's okay. Some of them are performing. I'll share with you a couple. But if Ethereum breaks out above 3,200, I'm going to look to buy more altcoins. If Ethereum breaks below this key red zone of 2,900, I'm not going to be interested. So again, I don't really follow seasonality. I've shared with you what I need to see to buy. So I told you Ethereum, if it gets above 620, I'll look to buy. I don't really think about seasonality as much. I just like to follow my trend, follow my market structure, follow my strategy. That's how I trade it. Litecoin, I don't like Litecoin. I posted someone bought Litecoin. I got in Litecoin around 65. I recommend you go watch this video. Was it 3 weeks ago? I think it was this video. I shared exactly where I bought Litecoin. I got in Litecoin around 65, I believe. I can try and find it for you. People ask me, did I actually trade it? So I can see if I can find my positions. So this was my Litecoin position. I bought it. This you can see on 16th of November. I got in on Litecoin. This was around here. I got in Litecoin. I'm not in Litecoin at the moment. I'm still in Ethereum. I'm still in BTC, but I'm not in Litecoin. It broken below $80, which was a key level for me. If it breaks above $80, I'm gonna look to get in. So that's my thoughts on Litecoin. Sorry, can you? I don't understand your question, Pizza. If you ask it again, I'm happy to answer it. I didn't really understand your question very well. So that's my thoughts on Litecoin. Let's come to XRP. So XRP always gets people's emotions involved, and one thing I want to say is I'm not a XRP hater. I've never said I'm an XRP hater. It's just that I'm more of an investor and I don't want to invest in HODL XRP. So I mean, do you guys like XRP? What's your thoughts on XRP? Let's get a consensus on the live stream. Yes, I'll have a look at Band. Don't worry, my friend. I'll have a look at all your requests. What your guys' thoughts on XRP? Fundamentally, I mean. Just request again, Todd. I'll look to get in. I'll answer your question. So I think there's a bit of a lag from your comments to my. So that was Ethereum against BTC. Ethereum against BTC. If it gets below 2,900 level, I won't be interested. So that's Ethereum BTC. Hope that makes sense. It's a bit more, I mean, the difference between BTC and USD. If you guys have some time, it took me an hour to explain to my group and their traders in that group. Maybe on YouTube, I don't know how much experience you guys have. I'm happy to explain that. But there's you need to understand the difference between XRP USD and XRP BTC. Just to quickly explain it, if Ethereum USD might be up 5%, but if Ethereum BTC is up 10%, then Ethereum BTC is down. So that means you'd make more money just by holding Bitcoin rather than trading Ethereum BTC, because altcoins can be going down for a while. So ADA BTC is massively down. I like to get in when both ADA BTC and ADA USD is in an uptrend. Again, I might have to make another video for that, or end of the video I might talk about it, but I'll share with you my thoughts. In 2017 I was mainly in Bitcoin. I was a lot younger. I was in my 20s. Well, now I'm lucky. I was lucky back in 2017. Again, I don't want to talk about property and other investments, but in crypto, I'd say you need to hodl some BTC. That's one thing I do, because I might be asleep. Bitcoin might break out above 20k. My exchange might break down and it might not let me in Bitcoin. So I like to hold some Bitcoin outside. My exchange could get hacked. So I talk about all of this in this video. I recommend you go watch that. There's a video on YouTube as well which briefly explains my investment and trading strategy, but I'm happy to touch on that later on. So XRP, let's do XRP analysis. So I did an XRP video just earlier. I explained what Spark token is and how to get that. So just to review that, Spark token will lead to people wanting to buy XRP because it increases demand. People want to get hold of XRP. Even in our group, people are messaging me saying should they buy XRP. From a trading point of view, I wouldn't be holding I wouldn't be looking to buy XRP now. The trade setup I was looking for is above 70 cent, or if it breaks out above 60 cent, you can look for a trade. At the moment, I'm not interested. I am holding some XRP, so if you watch my videos again, I shared with you when I was buying XRP. I recommend you go watch the XRP video series. You can watch these from I'd say watch from this video. If you watch from this video, there's only 3-4 videos. So I can post the link to you if you're interested. You can check out our group out. Again, I'm happy. If you want to take your trading to the next level, then you can check out the group. But I'm happy to just share with you guys my content here. Yeah, Joshua is part of our group. I'm not a programmer, no, my friend. I'm not a programmer. I'll talk about my group at the end of the live stream, because people are probably more interested in crypto analysis than my group. So XRP, plain simple. If XRP is it gets below 50 cent, I wouldn't like to hold XRP. If it's a spike like this and I get stopped out, I'm happy to get back in, but I don't want to get into I don't want to be in XRP if it's below 50 cent. If you want to ask me where my stop is, I don't like sharing my stops on YouTube because there's market manipulation to hit your stop. I'm happy to say it's not a huge position in XRP. I've got my stop is below 45 cent. That's where my stop is. If we get below 50 cent again and can't quickly get back above, I will exit my XRP. So the XRP that I bought here, I sold half at 50 cent, sold half at 70 cent. I'm still in 25% of my position. I shared a trade in XRP to the group here. I personally didn't take it. It broke out during our live stream. That was a really nice trade, but at the moment I haven't got a trade. And as you can see, this is opposite of what's happening with Ethereum. So if you look at if Ethereum does what XRP did, does something like this and breaks out, then I would exit my short. I don't want to be in a short position if Ethereum does that. So again, trading is basically just looking at charts. I've spent hours and hours losing my hair just watching charts, having mental breakdown. And I'll talk about the truth about trading, paying for courses that I didn't learn anything. And at the end you just learn that everyone's psychology is different. You need to do something that works for you. And what I will say is I'm from an engineering background, and that seems to work. So people that are gamers seem to be better at scalping. You know, people that are, again, I'm just making some broad generalizations, I'm not saying it's true, but one of my friends is a crazy gamer and he scalps BTC like I've never seen anyone. And then people that are more, one of my mentors is a woman, and again, I don't know if there's any women viewers here, there's not many female in our industry, in the trading industry, and she has been one of the best mentors. And she's very risk averse, she closes her positions, she sticks to her strategy, and I've learned a lot from her. She's an older woman from London. I've initially paid her money to get training from her, and you know, she still is in touch with me. So I've learned a lot from you can learn from everyone, learn from me, but again, make it your own strategy. I teach you a market structure, trend breakouts, where to put stop losses, but it's really important to start analyzing yourself. My channel is quite, I mean, the thumbnails are probably similar to other people, but the content of the videos, if you watch it, is very different to everyone else. So that's my thoughts on XRP. For me to buy XRP, I would like it above 60 cent or ideally above 70 cent. I actually thought there was going to be another push up to Ed. Thank you, my friend. Ed's been following me for over 2 years. A special shout out to Ed if I can. And then yeah, let's see if I can get 100 likes. I mean, I'm not getting as many likes today. I got 50 likes last live stream. I was hoping if I can push to 100 today. There's about 40 people, so we should at least be at 40, but there's 20 likes. So if you guys are enjoying the content, please smash that like button. If not, let me know if there's anything I can improve. But I really enjoy these YouTube ones as well. It's slightly different. We can have more of a discussion, because in the live streams that I do in the Facebook group, it's more about, you know, buying, selling, stop losses. It's more in depth, whereas this one is a bit more, you know, not tongue in cheek. I'm trying to share with you my thoughts, but you know, I'm taking what stop losses, entries. This one is I like to interact with all the people that watch my channel and support me. So that's my thoughts on XRP. If you ask my thoughts on the Spark token, I think that, you know, usually that if XRP doesn't break out now within the day or two, I don't think it's going to carry on to $1 like what everyone is saying. That's just my opinion. I've analyzed. One of the trades I do take is news. Thanks, Curtis. I really appreciate that, and that's one of the reasons that I'm doing this. That's one of the reasons why I do these videos. If I can help one person, you know, but don't buy bots. I've spent lots of money on it. If I can save one person from investing their house into Bitcoin or a crypto, or sending someone their crypto and stuff like that, I'd be really happy. Some of the messages I get, it means more to me, because trading can be lonely as well. So that's one of the reasons for having the group. We've got a great community, and you know, I get to know them on not a personal level, but get to know them pretty well. So I don't think XRP is going to pump. What I do think is if XRP gets back above 70 cent, I'll look for a trade. One thing to be wary of, again, people will call me, if you're long-term investing in XRP, that's fine. I'm not saying that it's a bad investment or a good investment. I'm saying what I'm doing. I'm not invested in XRP. As long as it's above 50 cent, I'll post in the group when I exit XRP. I told you where my stop loss is anyway on YouTube. I don't usually share stop losses on YouTube. But one thing I would be wary of is last time XRP had a pump, you know, we had another push, then we broke down. Here as well, push up, sideways, broke down. I think this was a partnership. Another push, then we broke down. If it breaks below this 50 cent, that's going to be my thoughts. If it breaks down and quickly gets back above, I'll jump back in. You can always jump back in. That's my thoughts on XRP. Hopefully that makes sense. How can you get a mentor? There's thousands of ways of getting mentors. Do internships, pay for them. So I mean, I paid for some really bad mentors, some really good mentors. One of my mentors is an older gentleman in America. I used to do phone calls with him. I've taken his online course, and then luckily I've been able to go see him as well. And he's a crazy trader, and his win percentage is 30%, or about 40% he wins, 30 to 40% win rate. And you'd be thinking, oh, are you dumb? How can you make money? But his risk to rewards are crazy. He lets it run. So one of the things I teach in the group is getting in a good position and letting it run. And he's richer than, I mean, I can wildly remember to be. I mean, he's crazy rich. He does a lot of charity. But I paid for his course, and I've paid for I paid for someone in London, and he was really bad. He charged me £1,000 just to speak to me for a day, and it was horrible, some of the stuff he was teaching me. But again, how do you know from the good from the bad? You just have to, that's just life, you have to take a risk, I'm assuming. Okay, that's my thoughts. A couple of altcoins I'm going to look at, then I'm going to open the floor to you guys for the last half an hour, 20 minutes, and I'll answer any questions that you guys may have. Is that okay? So let me just review a couple of coins. So Cardano, one of the things I want to explain, Cardano BTC is at support. It's not looking great. I don't want Cardano to lose, 700, 750 level. Cardano USD is okay. It's not looking too bad. If Cardano USD can break above 20 cent, I will be interested, not in this at the moment. One of the trades that we are in at the moment, yeah, maybe in the future, but when I did mentorship, I did do it a couple of times, if you guys remember, before my group. I just got emotionally involved too much. And it just it was more than a job, because I was thinking about his trades, and I was just, I might do it in the future, but it was really time consuming. And I'd do it for people that I know that probably followed me over a year, so knows roughly my strategy. I wouldn't just do it for anyone, but yeah, maybe in the future. So one of the trades we are in is Zilliqa, so I can share that with you as well. So I'm talking about coins that I've actually traded, not just let me find that post if I can. It will be easier to explain. So on the Telegram you can check all the posts, so you can go back. So this was a Zilliqa post. It was breaking out, then it hadn't broken out. You can see it's December 2nd it was, and you can see the post and where my stop loss is and when I got in. And then today, like I said, it's gone up. I'm still long Zilliqa, half long Zilliqa. It went up nicely. I've taken some off. I'm still in this trade. As long as Zilliqa is above 3 cent, this is a coin that I'm in. So I don't do mentorship. Let's not talk about that. It was just, having phone calls, having one-to-ones, but I'm not doing that at the moment. And the best thing is you guys need to just learn yourself. The group that I share, that I think that's the best way to learn. If you've got a lot, in the future maybe, but I don't want to sell that. Let's just that's the offer that I do is the group at the moment. So that's the coin that I'm in. So people talk about buying or selling, live trading. That is a coin that I'm in. I've shared with you where I got in as well. So that is a coin that I'm in. As long as it's above that 3 cent, I like. For me to buy more, I'll probably sell some around this zone, 35 cent. I'll sell some. If it gets back above, I would look to get in. Doa Crypto, hello Doa. I've not seen you on YouTube live stream. So these are a couple of guys from our group. Hello Doa, hopefully you're well, my friend. Which coins are you trading? Doa has some awesome small altcoins that are really good. Some of the coins that he shares, I think Unify, Doa brought it to my attention. No, I don't do that. You need to be a financial advisor, and if anyone says that I'm taking money, I don't do that. And you need financial advisor license. And in the future I might, but even if I do, it would be for a year long, because again, I talked about the markets. If Bitcoin just goes sideways, you can't make as much money, so it depends a lot. So again, the group, I want to thank Doa as well, because I can't remember, OG Robert from Patreon. Robert was one of the first guys that joined 2 years ago. Doa, Doa, I think it was you, or was it, can't remember, was it Marco that brought Unify to my attention? And this has been one of the best trades I took. It's been 100%. Are you still in Unify, Doa? So I can share that with you. And this was shared on the Cardano video as well, guys. Let me see if I can find it. I think I posted it. So this was when Unify broke out. I posted this one, is breaking out. First target $6. You can see when it was breaking out, it was posted December 4th. you still have Unify. I just have 10%. My stop is below here, so you can see it was around here when it was breaking out, and then I did post updates on it as well, so I'll share that with you how I've posted it. And I'm not saying that you join the group, pay me, and I'll make you another trade like this. I've not 100% trades. You don't really catch them a lot. It was really nice to catch. So you can see the pose that I made. So I'm still in 10% of this position. Where's Unify gone? I can't find it now. Apologies, I don't really want to share contact details of people. This was my Unify position where I took some off and let it ride. And yeah, thanks Doa. I think you brought this to my attention for the first time. And anyone on Facebook in our group, if you don't want to be seen in the YouTube videos, just message me and I'll make sure that I don't show them or edit them out. But yeah, make sure you take some profit. This was an amazing trade. So Unify is one, and then two other trades that I'm looking at now that I'm let me share that with you. Can't share all of them. So Cream is a coin that I'm going to be looking to get in. I quite like Cream. Front, these are some small cap coins. I think Doa might know them anyway. I'm in front. I'm still half in front. As long as it's above, let's say 35, I like front. And then what's the other one? Someone else took that trade. See if I can find that. I usually make a list before going live so I can talk to you about them. Cover. This is another trade. So these are a couple of small cap coins that are really good. If you guys are interested, these are some of the small cap coins you can look to get in. These are small cap coins on Binance. Right. Let's have a look at these coins now. So let me do a couple of reviews on these and then I'll take all the requests that you guys may have. So Stella's pulling back into this red zone. If it holds this red zone, I'd like it. But if it gets back below, I'm not going to be interested in Stella. Someone else, Stella. Theta, I mean, I talk about winning trades. This is the trade that I took. It's not worked. So I got in, break above 4,000. Theta USD hadn't broken out. So maybe it was an early position. Excuse me. So I was looking to get into Theta if it broke out above 80 cent. Theta USD didn't. Theta BTC did. And it broke out. Theta USD didn't, and it's down now. So I'm slightly lost on this one. I'm about 4% lost on this one. I'll have to exit this position because it's not looking good. I posted my entries and stops in the group, but I'm going to look to exit half now after this live stream and then still hold it because Theta is a coin that I like. Another coin that, I talked about Zilliqa. Zilliqa's looking great. If you watch this video, I shared this signal in this video. We were around here when I posted this one. This was in one of our live streams. I really like Zilliqa. I want Zilliqa to break out above 200 Satoshi. Now, if Zilliqa breaks out above 200 Satoshi, I'll provide another signal in the group. This could be setting up. One of the last few coins I want to talk about before I start looking at all your requests is VeChain. VeChain above 100, I'll get back in. So VeChain, watch that video. I explain everything, how I trade VeChain. I posted in the group when I got long VeChain. If VeChain breaks above 100, I'm just going to buy VeChain. I closed VeChain here. Maybe I should not have. I had my stop below here. Maybe I should have just held my stop. But if it gets back above, I'm going to jump back in VeChain, especially if VeChain breaks out above 2 cents as well. So this is a coin that I'm looking to get in. I quite like this one. A couple of altcoins that I like. UniBTC is one of my favorite altcoins, but I've sold it. I used to hodl it as well, so I need to update you guys in the Facebook group. I'll post it in the group. I'm selling some VeChain. Unless it gets back above 1900, 2000, I'm not going to be interested in Uni. Uni is a coin that I fundamentally like, and people ask about hodling. I do, held some uni as well. So if uni starts getting back below $3, I don't want to be in uni. Uni was a coin that I really like. I want more decentralized exchanges. Again, people want to talk about fundamentals. This is a coin that I like fundamentally. Are any of you here like Uniswap coin? Let's answer one question then. If I'm a hodler, how is it better to buy 100 different altcoins in portions, or better to hold some top coins? I can't answer that question. That's why I like doing this YouTube live streams. You get asked some different sort of question. I actually don't know how to answer that. So I hodl mainly BTC, and if coins are trending higher, so I talked about Zilliqa when Theta was breaking out back here, I was definitely long Theta. This was, again, I posted this one I think on YouTube as well. When things are just going down, I don't want to hodl coin. And I wouldn't just say buy 100 random coins. Make sure you own at least by the sound of your question, again, excuse me if I'm wrong, if you're new to cryptocurrency, then I'd just say make sure you buy and hold some BTC. Yeah, Robert. Yeah, that's fine. I mean, I'm gonna have to come out. I've not come out yet. If it gets below $3, BTC is looking really weak. So it's a coin that I like fundamentally. I want uni to succeed. I don't want Binance and Coinbase. They're so powerful. I want if we were in cryptocurrency market, we want decentralization. Out of all of you guys, just comment below money or technology, and I think there's 40 people here. Even the XRP hodlers that want XRP to cure cancer and solve the money transfer issues. Most of you are here for money, and I'll be honest, I'm here for money, but I do love cryptocurrency. I see the importance of Bitcoin, and I could be wrong, and if Bitcoin goes to zero, I would be affected more than anyone else because I hodl BTC. But all I'm saying is with the current finance situation, the way the governments are printing money, it's absolutely crazy with what's going on in the world. If you've got a lot of cash, so dollar, pound, whatever, invest in properties, buy some Bitcoin, crypto, stocks, whatever you've got to do to protect your wealth. And I don't think that there's going to be a currency crash in our lifetime, but there's no currency that lasted in this world. Even the Deutschmark, the German currency, if you read, there's a book about it if you want to learn more about currency. On weekends I usually take a day off to read a book. That was an amazing book that I read. Yeah, there's a couple of things, and I don't want to talk too much about that on YouTube. There's local bitcoins you can sell to people on through that, and Coinbase is okay. It's high fees, but those are a couple of ways. But local, if you know people that buy Bitcoin, you probably get a lesser price, but that is a good way to have a look. So 2 more coins, Link and Tezos, then I'm all yours for the next 20 minutes. I'll answer all your questions. So Link BTC is breaking down. I don't like it. Someone asked me in the group as well. Link BTC, if it comes into this level, I'll buy. I shared that level when we were above, around here. I said it, 50,000 Satoshi level. Chainlink USD, if I have a look. I'll have a look at Neo, my friend. I'm happy to share a bit more about that in our group. I'll do a live stream tomorrow. I might do one tomorrow in the Facebook group for you guys, because obviously tonight it's a bit different. So in the Facebook group I'll do one tomorrow. If not, definitely this weekend I'll post a live stream link in the Telegram group. Chainlink, if Chainlink gets back above $15, I think Chainlink would head towards 20. That is a trade I'll look. But at the moment I'm not interested in Chainlink. If Chainlink comes into $5, I'm gonna buy. Sell your Chainlink to me if Chainlink comes into here. I want to buy your Chainlink if it comes into here. Well, we've got about 56 people, guys. If you're enjoying it, please smash that like button. Last live stream I did, we had 50 likes. That was our target. This one, our target was 100, but if we can get 50, if you're enjoying the content, let me know, guys. I really appreciate it. So that's Chainlink. And finally, Tezos is another coin that I like. I should do. There's so many coins to do, but I want to spend some time answering your questions. So Tezos, if Tezos breaks above 1500, I'll look to buy. If Tezos comes into around 900, I will look to buy. Tezos was one of the big trades I look for. So in our group, So in our group, even on Facebook or YouTube, you see me take a couple of trades we wait a year for. So Chainlink, we waited over a year for a break above this level, and we went all in Chainlink. I say all in, make sure you have your stop losses and don't go all in. But same as Tezos, I was watching for Tezos to break above 4,000. I think Tezos could have pulled a Chainlink and pumped a lot. It didn't. It broke down. I sold here. I tried to buy here again, sold out, and then I'm not in Tezos at the moment. I'll share with you when I do get in Tezos. BTC, I've shared the level. Joshua was interested in there as well. For Tezos, if it comes into $1, I'll buy Tezos. I'll just buy and huddle. So people talk about huddle, that is a level I'd look for. And also, guys, risk management is the first. If you buy my course, the first thing I teach is not strategy, it's risk management and psychology. If you're buying something with 30-40% stop loss, or just thinking of long time, your position should be a lot smaller. If you're trading with a 5% stop loss, then you need to make sure how much you're risking. You shouldn't be risking 5% of your account in one trade. So that's just one of a side note. Psychology and risk management is everything in this market. Right, guys, so what coins do you want me to look at? I want to any questions you have, I'm happy to stay back 10-15 minutes to answer all your questions. One of the questions that's come out is Neo. So Neo is I'll talk about Neo, but yeah, any coin request, comment now. Yeah, I'll have a look at all of this. So let me do Neo. So Neo was one of my favorite coins back in 2017. I thought Neo was going to be a banker. How low is Neo? So never ever hodl a coin. Never ever hodl a coin. Thanks, guys. Yeah, thank you very much, John. I appreciate that. Thanks, Joshua. Hopefully you're well, my friend. RSI, yes. So never ever. That's one of the reasons why I don't hodl a coin. Look at that. It's down 90%. Thank you, guys. And like I said, if I get 100 likes, if I during the live stream, I'll do one in January. I'll do another one of these live streams in January. If not, I'll do one in February. So an incentive to smash that like button. I'm joking, by the way. So yeah, Neo at the moment, I don't like this. I want to buy coins that are trending up. So some of the coins that I share with you that I'm in, you can see they're trending up. This one is just here. So if you like it for a long time frame, you could buy some with wide stop losses, expecting this to hold. That would be a play, off this support. I don't just have my stop loss below support because you can exit, so I have a wider stop loss. That's how I trade. But yeah, I wouldn't want to be just in this position. So that's Neo. What other coins? What's the next coin? ENJ. If I miss your coin, just request again. Obviously, there's quite a few comments that are coming in. ENJ, yes, I was looking at ENJ. This is one of the structure I liked. I like this volume coming in. It's trying to get back above the moving average. At the moment, is not. I don't buy the first pump. I want to see some strong move before I get in. So at the moment, I'm not in this. I want to see some strong moves come in. Band. Let's have a look at Band. Yeah, I like the high lows in Band. This previous support as well. I actually like Band. Who requested Band? I don't know if you've got trading experience, Todd. It's not. I'm not buying it now, but I like the setup in this. Probably drew it from there. Yeah, Band is not bad. Above this red zone, look for a pullback setup to go long. I wouldn't blindly buy this, but I like this one. Wow, about 62 people watching. Amazing. Thank you all, guys, for watching. Yeah, I like Band. Let's have a look at Band USD now. So I try to do both. So when both are looking bullish, that's when I try to get in. INJ. I missed out on INJ. I bought cover and front, but I missed out on INJ. I'm a bit jealous. I'll have a look at yeah, Band. I like Band. So this is one of the setups I shared with the group. Again, there's too many coins for me to, you know. So what I do is I try to set alerts and post in the group, but what the guys do is I share with them a setup, and with some experience. Don't expect the first month you join our group you'll be able to trade. After a couple of months you'll be able to see how I trade and you'll be able to get in. But yeah, this is I do like Band. Whoever's requested Band. Band. Let's have a look at F-matic. Let me do INJ for Doa before I, because Doa knows about some really good altcoins. It's giving a dip now. If I get a green candle here, I'll look to buy it. The thing is, Doa, the stop loss, the only reason I've not got in this one is having too much of a wide stop loss. This was the buy zone I shared. I missed it here. As you can see, this was around 4 a.m. UK time. So I didn't manage to get in this one. But yeah, if it pulls back, I would have a stop loss below 9,000. And if we get a big green candle, a close above, let's say, I don't know, 11,560, I would look for a long. I like this one. Yeah, let me give you sort of a, if we get a green candle close here now above 210, 215, I would look to buy this. It is near previous highs here, so you've got to be a bit careful. 70 people, I think that's the highest I've ever had anyone watch my live stream. Again, thank you all for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. So that's INJ. Matic. Matic is not doing anything. Matic is a pump and dump coin. Again, I don't know what I think it's an Indian backed coin, and you know, I think they scammed people. If you watch, there's a video on my YouTube channel talking about pump and dump, and I made a video on Matic. People that don't believe technical analysis, go watch that video on Matic. It was the day before it pumped. It was on YouTube, so it's not, you know, on hindsight trade like some people want to call it. And it had a big dump. At the moment, I don't know anything about it. If you love Matic, you know some people in the team. So people talk to me about how to know which coin to buy. Talk to them. Talk to the members. If you're investing big money, you want to know what that coin is about. So if Matic pumps from this red zone, if you love it, this is a zone I would look to be interested in. When it broke below it, I wasn't interested. This is a zone that you could look to get in if you love Matic. So what's after Matic? FTT and RSR. If I'm missing anything, comment again, guys. I'm happy to spend another 5-10 minutes looking at your coins. FTT. Wow, FTT. Who requested FTT? I need to add you to my group. I don't know about this coin. I like FTT. I need to add you to my group if you can tell me about these coins. Yeah, if this coin gets back above this, wait for it to break a resistance. Look to get in. That will probably be the 618 level as well in there. If it breaks above there, look for a setup. This is the type of coins that I like. If you watch the previous live stream, I did an educational bit. 80 people. Oh my god, can we get to 100 people watching my video? If there's 80 people, guys, if you're enjoying this content, I'd really appreciate if you can smash that like button. Hi, my friend. Hopefully you're well. Have you got any request? Apologies if I can't pronounce your name. Let's have a look at some questions then. So I talked about RSR. RSR is a DeFi coin, isn't it? Yeah, RSR is not bad. I've not got it set up on RSR. It's not clear to me. Maybe above 120 I'd look for RSR. It's not very clear to me at the moment. Yeah, it's just going sideways now. Wait for it to break at least one resistance, maybe above 25, 23 cents. I'm not too clear on RSR. XRP, I've done a huge piece on XRP. The key zone is below 50 cent. If it gets below 50 cent, I wouldn't want to be holding XRP. Someone asked how low it can go. I mean, I would look to buy XRP at the weekly moving average around 35, 30 cent. I'd be buying XRP there. I'll make a YouTube video as well, and I'll post in the group when I go along. But that is a level I'd look to buy XRP. So talked about XRP. Watch that section at the start of the live stream. SNX is a coin that I've traded. I don't think it's doing much at the moment, is it? Yeah, it's not doing much at the moment. I was looking to get in maybe above there. It's not really giving me anything. I'm not my favorite. There's other better coins. Axion, Nano. I wish I can stay a bit longer and get 100 views, 100 concurrent views. It's almost at 87. Oh my god, this is amazing. Thank you all. I really appreciate you guys watching. This is the last live stream of the year, but if I get 100 likes, I'll do one in January. Axion, it's on Uniswap, and with fees it's very hard to trade. So we had a discussion in our group, trading on Uniswap. I'm not doing it at the moment. I might get into it if Bitcoin breaks above 20k. I did some Uniswap trading. I'll look to do it again, but at the moment I'm not doing Uniswap. And it's not really giving me anything. If it's trending high, unless you know someone in this group, or know a group that's trying to pump it. I don't do that sort of stuff, like pump and dumps and stuff like that. But yeah, it's very hard to trade on Uniswap and getting in and out of your coins. Doa's asked for hard USDT. It's breaking down a bit. I think it's about the daily moving average. I'll be interested, Doa. So once it breaks below this 4-hour stuff and breaks 4-hour trend, it's a bit difficult as well. I'll probably just draw it like this, see what comes up. Yeah, that 50% 618 zone I like. Yeah, I need to see some more action on this one, Doa. This is another one of those Binance coins. Maybe above 90 cent we can have a move. If you have a trend change here, I'd look for a trade towards $1, but I want to see it above $1 and stuff. That is really good. And the thing is, Robert, I really appreciate you guys. That is just because it always happens. Even in the group, you see there's lots more people joining now when things are going up, but they didn't join when Bitcoin was at 10k breaking out. So it's about patience. There's going to be, I'm sure if we get an altcoin season, there'll be lots of people, and I feel bad. I mean, I'd like to think I'm morally a good person, but I feel bad letting people in the group when it's so high, because people find out about Bitcoin when it's at 20k. At altcoins, people talk about Chainlink when it's at where is it gone? When Chainlink was at when Chainlink pumps into $20, that's when people get interested about Chainlink. They don't talk about Chainlink when it's down at $10. So it's a bit sad, really, but this is trading. This is how trading works. I'd love for people to join when it's breaking out here and trade with me, but my views in YouTube views, you'll see there's a Tron video that got 9.2k views, and the one before that got 500 views, where I actually said where I'm gonna buy, and this one got this many views. Same with Chainlink. When Chainlink was at 20k, my views on Chainlink was about 8k. When I'm talking about trade setups now, they don't really get many views. Anyways, that's just a bit of my rant. I do a lot of rants. Thanks, guys. We've hit 50 likes. That was our last live stream target. I'm happy with 50 likes. I was going to try and push for 100, but happy with 50 likes. Right, let's try and look at some more coins for you guys. I'll stay for another 5-10 minutes. So if you want to ask one last question, these are Uniswap coins. I don't know too much about them. If they're trending higher, please, in Uniswap, if you have $10,000, don't put more than 1,000. I mean, I wouldn't put that much money into Uniswap. And you need to know Uniswap. Play with a little money in Uniswap, because I know people that lost money on Uniswap. So yeah, don't just put all your money into Uniswap straight away. So that's Uniswap. Constellation, I don't know, Constellation DAG. Is that even a cryptocurrency? On HID BTC, yeah, just by the chart. I don't really trade that. I'll review BTC at the end, Doa, before I finish the live stream. XLM, I've shared with you my thoughts on XLM. I don't want XLM to get back below this red zone. Let's have a quick look at XLM USD, because I'm interested in this one as well. Someone in our group was talking about this. Let's look at Kraken, why not? Yeah, 15 cent is a key level for me. If it gets below this, it's below. Yeah, if it gets a daily close below the daily moving average, I think it comes back to 10 cent. This is where, not 10, yeah, 10 cent. This is where I can look for another trade. Oh, thank you, Doa. Really humbled by some of the comments I'm getting. Really appreciate it. Maybe I'll just come in to do live streams to stroke my ego. I'm joking. Where is it? Nexo. Have a look at Nexo. Yeah, Nexo's not looking bad. Again, this is a coin that I wouldn't be buying it now. Has it got any news? Is it in Binance, Nexo? How have I missed it? It's not on Binance, is it? I don't trade on Huobi and HIT BTC as much. I've got some money in HIT BTC actually, but I don't like HIT BTC. It's not looking too bad. I'd look for a pullback in this. So that my trade setup would be around here. A pullback around this zone would be my buy level. I'd have an initial stop loss there. If it starts getting below the red zone, I'd exit. EasyFi, getting lots of requests. EasyFi. I can't find that. AP13, is that a scam, by the way? On my YouTube videos, that really annoys me. On my YouTube video, there's like thousands of comments on AP13, I think, and I don't know what it is, and I don't know how to block it. Was that the Uniswap coin? Yeah, these sort of coins, I think I've heard about this. Someone asked me about this as well. If you know about this, please put like, I don't know, a couple of hundred or just $1,000 in, depending on how much money you have. If you have, don't put crazy money in it, because it could just literally go to zero and getting your money out in Uniswap. I've got little experience on Uniswap myself, so have a look at that. What do you think? I like crypto lending platforms. Do you mean from a trading point of view, or what do you mean? I don't know what you mean. EasyFi is on Binance. Is it on Binance? Okay, it's not on TradingView yet, so I think it's one of the newer coins on Binance. Okay, last couple of questions, last couple of requests before I review BTC and Ethereum and end the live stream. Mainframe has not been clean. I'm not clear on this one. Strax. Is AP13 a decent coin? Again, I'm just saying that if you go on my YouTube video, there's like bots just commenting. That's why I'm saying that. I think, most of the altcoins are going to go to zero. Hedgic. What coin is going to pump right now? If you watch the live stream, I shared with you coins that I bought, that I said I'm buying. Strat is a coin that I used to trade. Yeah, it's not looking very good, is it? I mean, it's not a bad zone. I mean, this is a coin that if you in this coin, I would have a stop loss below. See if it pumps from here. Look for a 4-hour pullback or something to go long, but no, I don't know what's going on. I'll avoid it. Lynn, I think I've not seen you in a while, so welcome to the live stream, Lynn. Yeah, Nexo looks good, to be fair, Junker. I'll have a couple of look at link. Right, last question before I finish off. Wow, we've got 100 people watching. Amazing. ETH pumping too. That's not good. I'm short on ETH. Zilliqa, I'm long. I'm riding Zilliqa. Thanks, Joshua. Hopefully, guys. Oh my God, it's 100 views now. Lots of comments coming up. That's crazy. Guys, I'll do another live stream next month. I'll do a free one on YouTube. Maybe February time I'll do another free one, or January time free one. Again, I do 3 to 4 live streams in the group every week. Check it out. You get access to Telegram group, other community members, my strategy. Check it out if you're interested. I'll do these free live streams again. I've shared my thoughts on ADA. VeChain, I took a trade in VeChain. If VeChain gets back above, let me just quickly do VeChain and ETH because people are asking now. If VeChain gets back above 100 satoshis, I'll be interested. Zilliqa, I'm long. As long as Zilliqa is above Zilliqa is above 3 cent, I like Zilliqa, and above 35 cent I'd look to buy again. Zilliqa and VeChain, watch these videos. The top 5 videos I talk about Zilliqa, and then VeChain, watch the yesterday's video. No worries. Thank you all. It's sad that I'm ending the live stream with 100 viewers. Thank you all for watching. I'll just quickly review BTC and end the live stream. And again, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please smash that like button, guys. I said if I get 100 likes, I'll do a one in January. I'll try and do every other month or once a month free on YouTube. And again, I'm not saying you guys have to join my group. If you want to take your trading to the next level, you can check it out. But I'll still, provide content on YouTube. So thank you all for watching. BTC, I'm not too sure on BTC. I'm still long BTC in those 2 trades that I taken. Again, watch the start of the live stream. I shared with you the trades that I took in BTC, and I'm still long them. My stop is below here, and I'm not too sure. It's just going sideways. It's good for altcoins when BTC goes sideways. I've shared with you a couple of coins that I'm in at the moment that I'm buying, that I'm still in. So check them out. If you just joined, please watch the whole live stream. There's lots of content in there. And then make sure you turn on the notification button so you get notified when I'm going live. I posted it, lots of posts talking about requesting. You can request coins, and I posted. If you clicked the reminder button, you would have got live. So make sure you turn on the notification button. So next time I'm going live, I'm happy to answer all your questions. So again, thank you very much, guys. Have a great Christmas. Have a great New Year. This is probably my last one. This is my last live stream on YouTube this year. I'll do one for you guys tomorrow. Apologies again, my group members. This one was slightly different with lots of people from YouTube. But I'll do one for you tomorrow, or definitely this weekend. I'll post the link in the group for you guys. So for YouTube, thank you all for watching. And again, thank you very much for almost 100 people listening to me talk, which is, I'm quite grateful for that. So thank you all, guys. Have a great Christmas. And hopefully Bitcoin breaks out above 20K or Bitcoin consolidates. If Bitcoin breaks out above 20K, I'm going to be longing the F out of Bitcoin like I did here. And it would be amazing. If it spikes and closes down, I'd take a loss. If altcoins start pumping, if Bitcoin consolidates, and then altcoins start going up, a couple of altcoins that I've talked about already in this video. I talked about some small cap coins that are up about 100%. Some of them are mentioned in these videos. I think this video I talked about a couple that I'm trading. And then it might be amazing for altcoin season. So Christmas will be altcoin season Christmas if we have that pump. So anyways, thank you very much, guys. And I'll catch you guys later. And then if you haven't liked it, guys, make sure you smash that like button. I'm just looking through some comments, and yeah, Thank you all for watching. Again, thank you all for watching. Good night, guys. Take care.